What is up? So finally, the spring is here and it's time to do some work on a Harley. And the first thing we're going to be doing is installing a set of slip-ons. This is a set of pipes that were modified by this company called American Custom, and I have a really good experience with them. They did a set of pipes for my Road King 2010 and it sounded awesome. So let's check out the sound and installation on this pipe. So like I said, they just drill them out straight. No cat, nothing. I'm not showing how to uninstall the exhaust. You'll be able to figure this out by watching the video and just reversing the steps. Uninstalling the exhaust, you start at the top, you go to the bottom, and when installing, you start from the bottom and then install the top one first. The reason being is that the top one has 4 bolts and it's a little more challenging. So. Do your best to slide it on and align the holes. There are 4 holes, and try to catch first bolt. And the first one is usually the trickiest one. I like to start it from the back because you have the most access. Damn, I got it from the first time. Nice. Now, number 2. Helps to move the exhaust just to guide the bolts. Here's the tool that I find exceptionally useful. It is a wrench with a flexible head, so you can adjust it and get the job much easier. Now that I got it tight, but not too tight, I'll tighten this clamp. And tighten everything first to make sure everything aligns. Now we can tighten this guy. And yeah, I'm using my breaker bar because I don't feel like getting the rest of my tools. I'm sure there's a spec for this bolt in a Harley manual. Just do it by feel, make it tight, and now tighten the bolts all the way. Done. Now the top one. The top one is actually a little bit easier because it only has 2 bolts, but the steps are exactly the same. Got it. Get this tight. Align everything. Don't even try doing this without this. Alright, down. Just like the exhaust, I like to start with the bottom ones. Sound test. Same also. I love this sound. It's nice and deep, loud, but not too loud. It is about to rain right now, so I'm not gonna go for a test drive. Probably in a couple of days.
3 days later.
So now that we got the pipes installed through the magic of the video editing, let's do some sound tests. Okay, so the pipes do sound freaking awesome. They're just loud, but not too loud, really deep, really neat, just like it's supposed to sound. When I had my pipes done, I wasn't sure if they're gonna be too loud, if they're gonna pop. So just to be on the safe side, I got a set of baffles. They're super easy to install, and the guys from American Custom, they actually pre-drilled the pipes. Let me put them in really quick and we're gonna compare the sound. So installing these baffles is super easy. The pipes come pre-drilled and all you have to do is get this one bolt. There's one here and one here. So let's get a sound test with these guys. Alright, so now the verdict. I like the baffles actually. Still almost as loud as without baffles, but just takes off that high pitch. I might just keep it for now. Might take it out later, we'll see. But overall, very happy. I'm really glad that I done it, no regrets. So that is it, another urban project. Take it easy. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you later, guys.